Hi Kawayang! Welcome back to HYE's YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to unbox an iMovie camera, and also ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin siya i-connect sa ating mga mobile phones. So if you are interested to see what's inside this box, and also kung paano siya i-connect sa ating mga mobile phones, please keep on watching. But before we start, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please consider subscribing and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload another video. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So guys, before tayo mag-proceed sa unboxing, alamin muna natin kung ano ba yung mga features na meron nitong iMovie A2. So this is an indoor smart security camera. So this camera is already a 1080p Full HD. It has a built-in microphone, so pwede siyang two-way talk. Also, it has 360 viewing, so umiikot yung kanyang camera. So this camera supports smart tracking. It has privacy mode and also night vision. This camera has motion detection, human detection, and sound detection. This device has alarm zone wherein you can even schedule an alarm using this camera. It has Wi-Fi connection, and ang storage niya ay pwedeng either through SD card, cloud, and NVR. So this camera has geofencing feature, and lastly, meron siyang 16 times digital zoom. So now na alam na natin kung ano ba yung mga features na meron nitong iMovie A2 Indoor Smart Security Camera, let's proceed sa unboxing. So ngayon guys, papaganahin na natin itong camera at i-connect na natin siya sa ating mobile phones. Ngayon, lalagyan muna natin ng power itong camera using the power adapter na kasama sa kanyang package. So now, as you can see na meron siyang LAN port. So if ever na medyo malayo yung place na pinaglagyan nyo ng camera doon sa internet, pwede kayong gumamit ng LAN cable papunta doon sa router. So ayan, wait lang natin mag-initialize or mag-warm up yung camera. Once we see this light indicator, it's green light indicator, and it's flashing or nagbi-blink, our device is ready for setup. Para ma-view natin siya sa ating mga mobile phones, kailangan natin ng iMovie Live na application na pwede nating i-download sa ating mga App Store or Play Store. So once nakagawa na tayo ng account at na-login na natin sa iMove app, ngayon i-connect na natin yung camera doon sa mismong application. So para gawin yan, click natin itong plus sign. So guys, nakita nyo naman kung paano lang kadali i-connect yung iMove camera sa ating mga mobile phones. If you guys enjoy this kind of video, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload another video. So see you on our next unboxing, Kawayang!